Hi everybody, I'm Susan from Srstyle. Welcome to Vlogmas number 8. Wow, it's really been a fun month. So let's go ahead and get into the advent calendars. All right, so we have this here. Looking for number 8. Open number 8. Have a magical Christmas. I can't wait. All right. I'm going to insert my making meatballs from Vlogmas 7. So I will put that in the vlog today. I thought it was in there, but I guess I missed it, so I'm sorry about that. All right, we got a star. And then we got a star there. So that's pretty cool. All right. Got my Minnie Mouse 12 Days of Bath and Body. And let's see if we can find number 8. Oh, it's down at the bottom. Down here by her feet. And maybe I can open this one. Let's take a look here. All right, here we go. Let's see what I got today. Okay, I got some like bath salts. Huh. Okay. Come in a little packet like that. It's pretty cool. All right. All right, and the bag of the day is my Disney 50th anniversary, along with the Coach 50th anniversary bag charm. They also have a bag that matches that, but I think it's sold out. It's pretty popular. Right, and then inside, which is very cool, is it has these 50, kind of see that? It has 50s all in the lining. All right, so that will be my bag of the day. I think this will be the end of this day because we're not feeling the best, and so we'll see how it goes, but we're not sick, but we don't feel the best. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and end it now. So please like, subscribe, share, and comment is always appreciated. And when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a SLG giveaway along with a Disney hard to find items and maybe a few surprises along the way. All right, thanks for watching Vlogmas number 8. We will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys. Hi, everybody. Welcome to day 7. We're going to go ahead and finish up the meatballs that we couldn't finish on day 6 because we got too busy. So let's go ahead and get started. You need 1 egg, ground beef, some tomato sauce, some crackers, pepper, a little bit of salt, and an onion. All right, so let's go ahead and start off with cracking the egg. We'll put that at the bottom. And then we'll put in the ground beef. This is super, super easy. So Alright, I hope everybody's doing pretty good. It's still pretty wintry. It's still snowing. So we'll see if we can get out sometime today. And I did finish my holiday bracelet, so definitely check out the picture even on Instagram, or I put it at the end of day 6 vlog, so definitely check that out. Okay, that's what that looks like so far. Pretty simple. All right, let me go ahead and cut up the rest of the onion and I'll put it in there. Basically, you just put everything together. You put it in a pan or a baking dish, whatever you have. Pretty easy. Alright, you just kind of, you don't have to fine chop these onions, just get them down to whatever suits your fancy. Pretty simple. And the best way to mix this is just with your hands. So what are you guys up to today? Anything exciting? We were able to order our freezer from Home Depot. So that should be coming on the 12th. And I ordered some items from the Bay, Chanel and Dior. So those will be shipped out on the 12th, I think. Alright, so you just put them in like that. Pretty simple. Okay, so it looks like, and then all you do with the crackers, you just kind of break them up. And depending on how much ground beef you have, all right, that's pretty good. I'm gonna put a little bit of pepper. A little bit of salt. All right. And you just mix it up. These are nice bowls because you just hold on to the end here. And you just mix it up like that. And you want them a little bit wet, not super dry, but just enough so you can mix it together and make little balls. And then at the end, you basically just put the tomato sauce on top, put a little water at the bottom, and put it in the oven for about 350 for about 20-25 minutes. Okay, so it should look something like that. I'll get the baking dish. my new KitchenAid. These work out pretty good. Alright. So you want to just make it into like a ball about that size or however you like it. Okay. See here. See that. And I may have to get another, I may have to get another baking pot there. So this holds about 5 standard size meatballs. And you can freeze these too and then use them later. That's about good. Let's see here, maybe I can get, maybe I can get one more. All right. All right, let me go wash my hands real quick. Okay. And then you just get your, there we go. Okay, just get this real quick. Get a large spoon. And you want to get, you can make your own tomato sauce. It's pretty easy, but I think this works out pretty good actually. So you can do this like ahead of time, so. All right, so that is my meatballs for day 7 of Vlogmas. So stay tuned. We'll be talking to you later. Thanks for watching. Susan from Srstyle with the senior point of view. Have a great day, guys.